If you're experiencing Error 2026 while trying to use Cloud Save in Minecraft, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize your settings for a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. You can test your connection by trying to access other online services or websites. Step 2. Update Minecraft. Make sure that you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Developers often release updates that fix bugs and improve performance. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available updates. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache of the Minecraft application can help resolve issues related to cloud saves. Go to your device settings, find the Minecraft app, and look for the option to clear cache. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the error. Step 4. Relink Cloud Save account. Sometimes, unlinking and then relinking your Cloud Save account can resolve synchronization issues. Go to the settings in Minecraft, find the Cloud Save option, and disconnect your account. After that, reconnect it and see if the error persists. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken. They may have additional solutions or be able to identify a specific issue with your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloud Save error and enjoy your Minecraft experience without interruptions.